Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kiki. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out this product that I purchased from Target, and it is called Curls Dynasty Twisting Cream, and it looks like this. Alright you guys, so Curls Dynasty is a black owned hair company. Their products are made for transitioning to fully natural hair and contain no harsh chemicals, preservatives, dyes, or fragrances. I paid $13.99 for this product at Target, but she does also have her own website, so I will be sure to link both of those down below, as well as her Instagram. And I also just want to say that I paid for this with my own money. This is not sponsored, so these are all my own thoughts, but I just want to let you guys know that as well. She has tons of other products, like she has other twist and butters and I think shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, but I only picked this up today, so yeah, I'm just gonna try this out, and then after that, I'm sure if I love the product, I can go back and buy the other things. Alright, so I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. Alright, so I washed and conditioned my hair with my favorite products. You guys know the Suave Professionals Almond and Shea Butter moisturizing conditioner and shampoo. And I will also link these down below. I picked these up from Target as well. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in a leave-in. I have nothing in my hair yet. This is it, just straight out of the shower. So the leave-in I'm going to be trying out today as well. This is a Suave Professionals leave-in conditioner. I've never tried this, so I figured since I use the shampoo and conditioner, I should be trying out the leave-in too. So yeah. So I'm just gonna apply this to my hair. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section my hair off in 4. I like to do that just when I'm doing my twist because it makes things easier for me. So I'm just gonna do that. Alright, so I'm going to start on this back section first. I'm not going to do a talk through because it's pretty self-explanatory. But of course, if you have any questions, please make sure to leave a comment down below. I will make sure to answer it for you. So yeah, just sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and I will be back at the end of the video. right, my love, so this is the final look. I absolutely love it. I don't know if you can tell. My twist came out super defined. I mean, let me know what you think. But yeah, I absolutely love this product. The second I put it in my hair, I could have honestly did a wash and go with this. Like seriously, I could have put this in my hair, brushed it, and left it. Like, that's how defined my hair was when I put that product in my hair. I will make sure to leave all the links to the products that I use down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. I did pick this product up at Target, but I will make sure to leave the link down below to Target as well as her website. Again, I absolutely love the way my hair turned out. When it was down, I wasn't kind of feeling it, mainly because I did a middle part. I think if I did like a side part, I would have left it. So I opted to do a high puff, but honestly, that's all right because I am in love. Let me know what you guys think. So yeah, thank you so much you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. You have no idea how much I do. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And if you haven't already subscribed, what are you doing? Especially if this isn't the first time you're seeing me, what are you doing? Make sure you hit that subscribe button, all right? So again, thank you so much. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Be sure to stay safe, stay healthy, and yeah, smooches.